All right, everybody, it is the 6th annual Bunkie Life Barbecue. This used to be in my backyard, but now it's here at the factory. We've got burgers, we've got hot dogs, we've got the whole gang here. It's gonna be just an epic day. We're expecting hundreds of people, and I think it's gonna be the biggest one ever. And yeah, I'd just like to say I'm very proud of everyone here putting this together.
Except Adam.
Well, except Adam, of course. There's a lot of work that goes into something like this, and it's pretty exciting to see it all come together. So congrats to everybody that did it. I'm just blown away that I get to do this with all of you, and that I get to do it with my family, and I get to do it with people I love. Are you guys with me? Are you with me? Let's crush it today, folks. It's going to be great. We have people lining up at the door. Let's have a great time, okay? Thanks, everybody. All right, so when you first get here, you're gonna check in here at the front area. So you're gonna actually get a raffle. You're gonna put your name in this raffle here, and the golden spinning thingamajig. At the end of the day, we're gonna draw some winners, which is pretty awesome. So Charlotte here is checking everybody in, making sure they showed up, making sure we got them on the list. Anybody who's not on the list gets booted out where there's weeping and gnashing of teeth. Now here's the lineup for the barbecue. It's a long lineup. People are hungry. They're getting a little cranky. Let's see how they're doing. How are you guys feeling?
Not that cranky.
Yeah, he's a little cranky. Not that cranky. Where are you from? From Brandon. Oh, awesome. Well, thank you for coming. Yeah. Now, there's a local artist who's put together a bunch of birds here. And by local, I mean actually lives with me. It's my father-in-law's bird creations. And of course, what barbecue is complete without some cornholing? All right, so we're here at the invoicing station. This is where people can put their orders in. We got a special in-person order and offer kind of happening right now. So this is only for people who are physically here, but it's a great spot. Harlow, how's the day been so far? People are buying t-shirts?
Yeah.
They're buying books?
Yeah.
They're buying books and t-shirts, and they're buying bunkies, so that's great. So that's this station here. Let me take you over here too. So this is where Adam is talking about the new coming soon bunkie. It's top secret, so I can't show you, but if you were here, you could see it. And we got some of our Bunkie Life clients doing testimonials, sharing their experience working with us. And we got Wes from Tradecraft Heating and Cooling, talking about heat pumps and mini splits, that sort of thing. So over here in this station, we've got our Cabana Bunkie, but we also have stain kind of features. So all the different stains and permachink, energy sealant, we've got it all here on display. So people can kind of check out and they can even take home a sample, a little piece of the bunkie, so they can stain it in the colors and try out things like that.
Hi, my name's Chris. I'm the owner of Canadian Log Home Supply, here helping Bunkie Life at their open house today by showing our stain lines and our sealants that are typically used on a Bunkie Life purchase. We have 1-coat stains, 2-coat stains, about 40 different colors. The sealants are used to seal up the corners and seams, so they're airtight, watertight, bug-tight for that matter. And that is something that is typically spec'd and sent from us to the building site or to the homeowner's site when the Bunkie Life purchase is shipped. Permachink manufactures a few different sealants that stick really well to wood. They stretch and keep things airtight and watertight. The ones that are typically used on Bunkie Life is our narrow joint sealant called Energy Seal. It's used for seals of 1 inch or smaller typically. It's available in various colors, but all of them take a stain and can be stained over top of quite well, and you can hide it so you don't see it at all. This is Energy Seal here. It's been stained over and you don't even see it.
So here's the deal, spin the wheel, you can win some fabulous prizes. Scott from Ottawa, ladies and gentlemen, let's put her out together. Okay. Steve from Kitchener, Steve from Caledonia, Ann from Kitchener, Mr. Johnson, okay. Ended up from the side of spin Leah, all the way from Hamilton, Ontario. Pat from Milton, Cordelia, Charlotte from Waterloo. Okay, okay. Heather from Oakville, okay. Richmond from all the way from North Bay. Charlotte, spin that wheel. Maple syrup! Wow. Bunkie Life sticker, fantastic. Epic high five from Dave, yes, okay, fantastic. Home Depot gift card. Maple syrup! Woo. There you go. Connection cards. There you go. Congratulations. You want a Bunkie Life sticker? High five from Dave, the best prize of all. Okay.
Hi.
You get a Bunkie Life book. Congratulations. Give it up for Violet. Home Depot gift card. Home Depot gift card. You can put it towards your book. Yeah, there you go. The gift card, bam. Depot gift card. Hi from Dave. The best prize of all. Okay.
So it smells fantastic because we've got a beautiful Bunkie Life fire going right now. We're actually burning tiny bunkies right now. And then over here, we have the demo model here. Mike, tell us about the demo model.
Our demo model here, well, it goes together. It's like a scale model of, you know, all of our bunkies. And you can actually see that it goes together just like Lincoln Logs. You can see how our windows go in here as well, how the doors go in. They just slide right in. Yeah, so come on down and take it apart. You just have to put it back together yourself.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mike.
Yeah, no problem.
And over here is where we're all gathering together to go in and see how the bunkies are made.
So welcome to the Bunkie Life factory. We purchased this factory in October 2021. When we first started, we only had those 4 tables, so we've come a long way. And I'm just gonna kind of take you through each station, how we build a bunkie for you guys. You get a hardware kit, all your windows are included, your doors. You guys can purchase extra windows. We have them wrapped up there. They come separate to your bunkie. So this section here is where we create our roof beams. So these beams are created for any Northern Ontario weather. These are the most challenging parts of your build of the bunkie. They are the most heavy. Why it's so heavy is because it is supporting all the snow loads that we get. So this is one of our newer machines. This is called our optimizing saw. What's really neat about this is that it is just a cross-cut, straight cut, but it can do so many different things. It has a CNC laser, so it cuts precision sizes, so you guys don't get any long sizes. You can tell, you know, the 6-inch to go to this box, 8-inch, and go to 10 inches over there. So this room is our molding and notching room. So these are all your wall boards, all your specialty boards in the bunkie, and it's a really neat room actually. It's kind of the bread and butter of the company right now. It's the only one like in Ontario like this, and what's really bad about it is that there's only one guy who can fix it in Ontario. So, but once the final product gets out, you get something that looks like this, and there's your S-groove there, and this is basically where Lego for adults happens. Essentially, stick it like that, and that's how you build your bunkie up all the way through. We test every gable with our little mini beam suitcases to make sure it fits. Is how we create a door. So we start with a frame. We use a domino machine to secure everything. And then we kind of, your final product over here is what your door looks like. And then with the mullions on as well. And so each table is a different assembly part of the window process. Basically starting with a frame, weather stripping, glass, screening.
Well, it was an incredible Saturday afternoon. We had a great time. The smell of burgers was in the air the whole day, the smell of the campfire. So great vibes overall. People are kind of making their way back home now. And I would say my favorite part of the day was just seeing everyone's faces as we got to share a little bit about what we do here and get to see everybody's reactions as we introduce new products and new things that we're doing. And I'm just super excited. I think next year is going to be even better. So there's many people that decided they wanted to buy a bunkie today, which is awesome. If you're thinking, I might need a bunkie in my life, what I would suggest is go to bunkielife.com to check out all of our products, all of our pricing and information. And then when you're ready, go to bunkielife.com/start to start the conversation with us.